In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see notes in Canva when presenting. If you like to keep your talking points close without cluttering your slides, this is exactly what you need. Start by opening your design in Canva. You can be in any presentation you've created, marketing decks, lessons, or webinars. Make sure you are in the editor so you can see your slides and the main toolbar. When you are ready to present, click the Present button in the top right corner of Canva. From the options that appear, select Presenter View. This mode is designed for live presentations and gives you a private space for your notes while your audience sees only the slides. It's the easiest way to stay organized and confident without reading off the screen. The moment you choose Presenter View, Canva opens two separate windows. One is the full-screen audience window, the clean, slide-only view that you'll share on a projector or second display. The other is your control window. This is your command center. You'll see the current slide, a preview of what's coming next, and your notes for the slide you are on. Only you can see this control window, so it's safe to keep it visible on your own screen. Manage the two windows based on your setup. If you are using a second monitor or a projector, drag the audience window to that display and keep the control window on your main screen, so your notes are always in view. If you are on a single screen, remember that the full screen audience window is what people will see. Keep your control window handy and switch to it briefly only when you need a quick glance at your notes. Before you start, give yourself a moment to position the windows and confirm which one is being shared. To add notes to your slides, head back to the editor and click the Notes button in the toolbar. It may appear at the bottom or the top, depending on your layout. Type your talking points for the slide you are working on. Notes are slide-specific, so each slide can have its own reminders, key phrases, and data points. Keep them concise and scannable, using short lines or brief phrases that prompt you without distracting you. As you present in Presenter View, those notes will appear in your control window beneath the current slide. And your audience will only see the slides themselves. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.